Hello peoples, in this video I'm gonna show you four similar but different types of liner which is too simple and go with everyday look. So let's get started with the first liner look. At the very first, just make a wing which should be not too lifted. And apply a very simple line from the inner corner of your eye and merge with the wing. And make it a little bit thick. Here you go with the first one. Make a curly wing. And also draw your inner corners. Inner corners take too much of time, but you should take a pointed liner . Here you go. Very simple and small, and definitely change the shape of your eye. The next one, make a long wing. Don't lift too much, just make a straight long wing. And make a thin line from your inner corner. That's it. It's super easy. You just need to focus on your wing should not be too lifted. And next one, Make your wing from inside of your eyes. And not from the corner. Make a very small wing on your inner corners. This is my favorite eyeliner look. This looks so good. Tell me which one do you like and definitely try.